Okay, here we have an ENCO 7" by 10" mini hobby lathe. It appears to be used, but it's in really good condition as far as we know. It does operate. All the functions operate. Manual functions and electrical functions operate fine. There's a few little trace metal shavings on here. That's about it. We're going to fire it up for you. It's currently in the high speed. Turn the machine on and go forward. This is variable speed drive. Got to make sure this is turned off before you. So that was the top end. That's 2,500 RPM. We're going to go in reverse again. Turn it off. What we'll do is we'll go back here. We'll switch to the low gear. Okay. Going forward again. So that's 1,100 RPM. I'll also show you that threading dial operates. Turn the machine off again. We'll go in reverse. Okay, again. Okay, so yeah, as we stated, all the manual functions appear to operate fine. Here's your cross feed, your tool post feed, and then if we unlock this, we can go with the tailstock that does move in and out here. Okay, it includes all these metric change gears. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. There's your chuck key, some tools, some extra jaws. There's another key, and it's probably for a face plate, which is not included. All right, so it is missing a few parts or accessories. Also, this drip pan that was supposed to be mounted on there is not mounted on there, and the rubber feet are missing for that. And like I said, overall, it's in really good condition. It appears to be in very good condition here. Here's the back right here. There's a couple little paint scratches on it. Nothing major. Okay. And we thank you for looking at our product.